you guys. I'm reshooting this intro just because the first time I didn't like the first time, but this video I'm just going to be showing y'all a few Christmas gifts I made a little last minute, but that's okay because we got them done. Sorry for my light flashing. I have to get a new one. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's fully charged. I'm gonna be making some gifts. Watch me make these little small gifts that are so cute. I can't wait for you guys to see. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Who would I be if I'm not doing things last minute? Like, I have to go ahead and start making these Christmas gifts. I don't have to make too much, which I'm thankful for. I only have to make a few for a few people. I was gonna plan out and what I have to do, but literally it's not that much to even plan that stuff out. So I'm gonna go head to the store because I do need to get yarn for both of the projects, because the projects I'm making to be like a beanie and like a Balenciaga, like, is that not Balenciaga, I don't know what to call it. It's, I'll put a picture up what it is, Blancava or something like that. It's like the ski mask but with your face out. Y'all see the picture. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. They want it in mohair, and I don't have black mohair. I only have red, so I have to go get that from the store. And I think that's it. I think I'm gonna make another beanie as well for my other friend, but I think that's it. So it should not be too much. I found some tutorials. I may link them down below if I remember. So I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Hopefully I record in there or remember to record in there. But yeah. I'm back home. I just changed into my scarf and my sweatshirt because my hair was looking a mess. But I want to show y'all what I got from the store. Why am I out of breath? We have black. This isn't, what is this? This isn't mohair. Let me see what it is. It's alpaca. So it's not, it's like mohair cousin-ish. It's still fluffy. I'm trying to go for the fluffy look for the beanie and the y'all know, the mask thing. I got 2 of those. It should be enough. I believe I do have some black yarn that I will use, and I'll blend it with that to make it thicker, and then I'll brush it out to make it fluffy. Yeah, and then I also got this. I think I have some brown yarn I can mix with this, but I was gonna mix it in with the mask thing that's on the edge or something. Be like a neutral, they can wear it every day type of thing. And then I also got this yarn because I love the color. I had a collection I planned out that will be out for the spring. The colors are going to be like brown, off-white, cream, and gold, and a little bit of black. And this was like perfect. This will be a nice dress to mix in with that. You guys will see the process of that soon, so don't worry. Now I'm gonna get started. I think I'm gonna get started on the easiest thing, which is going to be the slouch beanie, because that's not gonna take me nothing. And I think I'm gonna do plain black yarn. I'm gonna do that. Let's do that. So let's start on the slouch beanie and then work our way up. So I'm all ready. I'm gonna do again the slouchy beanie first. So how I do my slouchy beanies, I'm gonna use my 4.5 hook. I start off with a magic ring, and I just double crochet 12 into my ring to start off with. Then if y'all know how that stuff goes, like the first few rows you have to increase in here, because it's not really a tutorial, but just, yeah. So I'm gonna just do my slouchy beanie and then come back to y'all when it is done. I just finished up the slouch. I burnt off the ends and everything, so it's ready to package up and leave. I have to find a tutorial. I was low-key looking on YouTube. I don't want no long video either. Like if it's like a 16, 15 minute, 20 minute video, that's perfect. I think I found, because I see one that I'm like one I'm already subscribed to. But first I'm gonna go ahead and get me some food because I am hungry. It's about 3:10 right now, so I'm gonna get food, come back, eat, and then I'm gonna start on that. Then go get food, and then I'll come back when I'm starting on the, how do you pronounce this, balaclava? I'm not even, y'all know what it is. Okay, I wanted to stop and show you guys my progress, but I finished my 2 panels here, and I'm just afraid that this is gonna be small. I don't know. I sized my head, and I kind of used the measurements she used as well, and I did like a kind of mixture, and ours look about the same size. I know it's not supposed to be too big, and it's a rib stitching, so it's kind of stretchy, but I am stitching it together right now. Hopefully I can finish it by tonight, because this is moving faster than I thought it would. I don't know when I'm gonna check in, but I'm gonna check in with you guys in a little bit.
NT, you made this?
Yeah, like the cheetah bonnet. I have to switch it up a little bit, but anyways, update. So I did, you know, the everything. I just have to do the what you would call it, the edge. This is basically what I'm saying. I have to do the edge. In the tutorial, she had like she was gonna do like the rib stitching around and like add other stuff in there. I don't think I want to do that, because inspo pics that my friend sent to me is a little bit different. I use mohair in this one, not the mohair, the alpaca, but you can barely tell. But I am gonna brush it out, so it should come out really fluffy. I just have to get the right brush for it. But yeah, I should have did like slip stitches to sew this together. I should have did single crochets or half double crochets so it's stretchier, but I feel like it should be fine. If it's not, then I'll just make another one. It's snug though. It fit on my head. I don't know if it will fit, you feel me? Hopefully it fits. So I'm gonna do the edge. I don't know if I'm gonna do it right now. I may start it right now. Yeah, that's where I'm at with this right now. It's like, it's 9:08, so I low-key want to wind down for the night. But these ones definitely need to be done before like the weekend, because I do need it sent out. I got shipped these 2 out. I'm happy that it took shorter than I thought on this one. Okay, so that's what we got done today. And yeah, I think I am gonna wind down for the night, because I do feel myself getting tired. Good night. What's up, you guys? Little update. Finished, well, not finished, still got little strings to cut off. And yeah, I was gonna steam it, but I did try it on a few times and it actually made it stretch out. I think it's perfect, because I don't want to stretch it out too much, and because I want them to be able to stretch it out to their hair size too and mold it. So I actually got one of these from Target. I actually tried it out on the bottom. You see how fuzzy kind of already is? So I was gonna do the whole rest of it and just make it fluffy, and then that's the last step of that. And then of course cutting off the ends and everything like that. I also was gonna add another gift for my other friend. I want to do like a scrap yarn slouchy beanie, because I did these fast. I thought it was gonna take longer, but it's taking shorter than I thought. So if I have time, I definitely would do that and ship these off with that. So hopefully I'll upload this. Damn, I'm about to upload it after Christmas. She'll get it before Christmas anyway if I'm shipping it off. So it's okay. It's a few days early Christmas gift. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush this thing out. And it's fluffies on here already. Yeah. By the way, I got this thing from Target. I wish I had the packaging, but it's just like the pet brush you get like in the pet section. I forgot what it's called. It's called like it's a sticky brush or something, and you know, it lets the fur go all on here, and you can stick it off and pick it up, throw it in the trash can. It's great because the combs or whatever is so fine and thin. It's gonna get in this thing good. A regular brush may work, but I don't think it's gonna make it as fuzzy. This thing was like $8. You could probably find it on Amazon, dollar store, whatever. So let me just shut up. I've been talking, and let me brush this thing. All brushed out. Look how fuzzy. That made it softer too. I'm probably gonna do a little video on this. Not a little video, I'm gonna make a TikTok with it because I was making that before and after. And then yeah. So I'm gonna just go ahead and chill for the night. Good night. I'll see you guys later. To come on and show you finish. I already showed y'all when in the speed up of me making it. I did finish. I started this last night and I finished it just now this morning. I think I'm gonna just end it off there and just do those 3 items because that's all I needed to do. I'm sorry I had to close out this video with my body, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video as always, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.